Hey everyone, how are you today? It's Bordeaux Rose and I'm coming at you barefaced. Barefaced, okay? Because I'm going to do two videos today. The first one is going to be the one that you're watching right now. We're going to do brows and see how long it takes. And then we're going to title them on this video, okay? I say it doesn't take me more than 2 minutes to do my brows. Let's see if I could do that, okay? Oh, let me not cheat. Let me put this down. So just so you know, this is what I'm going to use to do my brows. I'm only going to use this pencil. It's the Revlon Color Stay Brow Pencil. It has a spoolie on one end and the retractable pencil on the other. I'm also going to use my NC45 MAC pot. Concealer pot, and I'm gonna use my e.l.f. concealer brush. Okay, this is all I'm gonna use. This is it. All right, so let's see how long this takes. I'm gonna put these down. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put them in the places that they normally are, just, you know, so there's no cheating. All right, okay, and we're gonna start the timer. Hold on, here's the timer. Ready, go. First, what I normally do is I use my brow. I'm gonna do this as if, you know, I'm not gonna rush, but I'm gonna talk and do it at the same time because this is legit how long it takes me to do it, okay? I can talk and do my brows at the same time. I can do it. You can take a second off for that, for me looking at the camera. But I just want to show people that it really doesn't take that long to do your brows. It really doesn't take long at all. You know, I don't know what happened with the brow game that we're, you know, making it so intricate and using 5-10 different products to do our brows when you don't need that many, okay? And to be honest with you, if you didn't want to clean up your brows, you don't even have to do that, okay? One brow's done. We're at 1 minute and 11 seconds. Right. And we are just about done. Doop, doop. Brows are done. Stop. 1 minute, 47 seconds. Are they done or not? So I'm just going to call it the 2-minute brow, okay? And there you have it. Stick around for the next video. Have a good day. Bye-bye.